Hello! In this video, we are going to go over how to assign housing units to animals within Climb. There are a couple of different ways that we can assign housing units to animals. One way is when we are receiving animals through the bulk add screen. Once we have filled out our metadata for the animals as we would like, we can scroll to the bottom of the screen and see an option for housing. If we check this Create New Housing Units box, Climb will automatically default to assigning 5 animals per housing unit, and we'll see the units broken down here. If we'd like, I can increase or decrease the number of animals that we assign to a unit, and Climb will update this accordingly. Climb will also tell me if I have any animals that will not be housed as a result of my breakdown. I can click the plus sign here to add a third unit with those remaining animals, or I can default to my basic 5 animals per unit. When I save the record, I can then return to list view, and I can see that for these 10 animals, we already have these housing units assigned. If I refresh the housing facet, we'll also see those additional housing units here. In addition to assigning housing units to animals upon receipt, we can go ahead and create additional housing units through the housing facet by clicking the green plus sign. Climb will automatically assign the ID of the housing unit for us, and some of our drop-downs have pre-populated based on the defaults set within the vocabularies facet. To add animals, we can select the animals we would like to add from the Animals facet, and we can click and drag them into this field. Once it highlights with the slate gray color, we can drop those animals in, and they've now been assigned to this housing unit. I can also copy and paste animals to assign them to the housing unit. Within my Housing History and Details tab, I can see some detailed information about each of the animals that are in this unit. I can update their statuses from this field, and once I set an animal to an end state status, they are automatically removed from the housing unit, and that is tracked here. You can also remove an animal from the unit by clicking the X next to their name. Doing so removes them from this housing unit again, and we can see the state out record has updated here. This allows for us to track what animals have been in this cage at any given point in time. Once we have adjusted our housing unit and animals to be what we would like, we select Save. Climb assigns this ID, and you can see in the Animals facet, the housing unit is now listed. And here we have the unit as well. If you have any questions about how to assign housing units to animals within Climb, please reach out to us via support@rockstepsolutions.com or click on the support link at the bottom of your Climb screen and send us a message there.